welcome back everybody. We're back up on the roof. It's time to start thinking about our next project. For this one, we're going to be starting to work on our rainwater reclamation. So the first step in collecting any rainwater off your roof is to give it a clean, smooth surface. Obviously this year we wouldn't be able to water our garden with the water we collect because we're into summer already. But this is going to get this system all set up so we can get ready for fall. That way when it does start raining, our system is completely set up, ready to go, ready to collect and store rainwater. So the very first part of this is going to be to put a nice coating on our roof. So we have a metal roof on the house. It has had a coating put on it before, but it's been a long time. So we're looking at some new coatings here, and we went ahead with Henry's roof coating. Reflective white, so it's going to give us some insulation value against the sun in the summer. Up here we get into the 110, 115s during the summer, and being in an aluminum can trailer obviously adds to that heat. Swamp cooler here definitely helps that out, but the more we can do, the better. It's going to be a really thick coating. It's the thickest coating on the market, so it's going to add an insulation value there, as well as, you know, some sound value as well. If any of you have ever lived or been inside of something with an aluminum roof, you'll know that rain and hail, especially at nighttime, can be quite loud. So hopefully this adds to some little sound detonation along with the insulation, and give us a nice seal on our roof. So we're going to go ahead and start off here by getting the roof all cleaned off. So we're going to bring the hose up here and get everything hosed down, get everything nice and clean. That way our coating goes on and has a good opportunity to stick. We got everything washed down. We're gonna go along the edge, get this stuff scraped nice and clean of all this moss that's growing in the seams. So we'll get that all scrubbed, and then we can start putting in our roof coating. Okay, so you get a better idea of what we're doing here. Just got stuff that's accumulated, dirt, moss. I'm just taking this wire brush, getting everything scraped off. This will make sure we have a nice, clean. This will make sure we have a nice, clean adhesion to our new roofing material. You don't have to worry about scratching what was there before The nice thing about this Henry's roofing is actually attaches itself to whatever is underneath it and kind of absorbs itself in. So we're just going to get this as clean as possible so we have the best adhesion as possible, and let this dry, and then we'll start getting that roofing on. Got this little bit of a first section done. I just wanted to stop real quick so you guys can see the difference. This is just the first thin coat, so of course there'll be at least another coat over this, but you could really see the difference here. Sealing up all those cracks. We didn't have any water leaks as it was, but it's better to be ahead of the game. So we got our first coat on. Everything's going on real smooth and clean. Right around the bottom here, the swamp cooler, you see I haven't done there yet. Swamp cooler was on last night, so it's wet under there, so we'll let that dry. We'll definitely hit it in the second coat, but it's looking real good. Everything's sealing up nicely, and so I will save you guys the time of sitting here watching us put the second coat on. So far we're really happy with this Henry's. It rolls right on just like you would paint. Looks really good compared to how it was looking before. And that's why I should have had on my safety gear. So I got lucky on that one. I'll see if I can slow down the video so you guys can see what happened, but on that last cut there, just as it went through, the chain kicked off, came down, smacked me in my pants, literally felt my pants move. But didn't even feel it on my leg. So I got very, very lucky. I really should have had my safety pants on. I have them. They're 15 feet away. I don't have gloves on. I don't have a face shield on. You know, you look at a little tree and think, oh, this will be easy. And that's the one that gets you. So another day for another lesson learned. So we'll get this cleaned up. Wanted to take a moment to say thank you to all of our new subscribers. At the time of this filming, we are at 40 subscribers, which is, I know, not a whole lot to everybody, but that's pretty exciting for us. So thank you for all of you who have subscribed and watched our channel and comments. If you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love for you to join us. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next one.